In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple files or an entire folder automatically. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, it can save you a lot of time, especially if you need to upload many items at once instead of selecting them one by one. The nice thing about this workflow is that the system handles the rest for you automatically after you make your selection. To get started, look for the upload option in the platform or application you're using. This is usually easy to find and is often placed in a toolbar, menu, or near the main workspace. Go ahead and click Upload to begin. Once the upload window opens, you'll be asked to choose what you want to add. At this point, you can either select multiple files or choose an entire folder, depending on what you need. If your files are already organized together, choosing a folder can be the fastest option. If you only want specific items, then selecting multiple files gives you more control. When selecting files, you can highlight several at the same time from your computer's file browser. If you're choosing a folder, simply click the folder that contains your content and confirm your selection. Make sure you've chosen the correct files or the right folder before moving on, since this helps avoid uploading the wrong content and saves time later. After you confirm your selection, the rest of the process happens automatically. The platform will begin uploading everything you selected without requiring extra manual steps. Depending on the number of files, their size, and your internet speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a little longer. During this time, it's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before closing the window or navigating away. If the system shows a progress indicator, you can use that to monitor the upload. This can be especially helpful when you're working with larger folders or many files at once. If something seems slow, that's often normal, particularly with large uploads. And that's it. You click Upload, select multiple files or a folder, and the entire process continues automatically from there. It's a quick and efficient way to handle bulk uploads with minimal effort. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very smooth part of your workflow.